In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to update DaVinci Resolve Studio on macOS, directly from inside the application, without visiting the Blackmagic Design website. Let's jump right in. Keeping DaVinci Resolve updated is important if you want access to new features, better performance, and bug fixes. So if you are running an older version, now is the perfect time to update. Before you update, I always recommend backing up your projects. You can check out a separate video on the channel where I show several quick ways to do that. The good news is that updating Resolve is super simple. And let's start. We'll start by opening DaVinci Resolve in the top left corner. Click DaVinci Resolve and then select Check for updates. Resolve will check whether a new version is available or if you are already up to date. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Click Download and the update process will begin. Your browser will open and the installer will start downloading automatically. Once the download finishes, double-click the zip file. Run the installer. Now just follow the steps on the screen. Click Continue, then Continue again, agree to the terms and click Install. Enter your Mac password if prompted and click Install software. When the installation finishes, click Close, then choose Move to Trash for the installer file. Important. If DaVinci Resolve was opened during the installation, it may still show the older version. Close DaVinci Resolve completely and relaunch it. When it opens, go to the top left corner, click DaVinci Resolve and then About DaVinci Resolve to confirm you are now running the latest version. Finally, open any project to make sure everything is working correctly. For more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe.